Welcome to today's video. We're diving into some dramatic train accidents caught on camera, from major collisions to close calls. These clips aren't just fascinating, they're educational too, showing the mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Stay tuned and remember to always stay safe.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Good thing the driver got out of the car before the crash. If they had just backed up a little further, this whole accident could have been avoided. Please always look around before crossing the street. I could feel the relief and happiness from everyone when they saw she was safe. Thank God. You can't outrun the power of a speeding train, so why risk it? Stay safe, stay smart.
Ooh.
It was such a weird sight. As the train passed, it looked like it was just a few centimeters away. It was an incident that didn't just disrupt train traffic, but brought the whole town to a standstill. This is probably the most iconic train crash on the internet. Comment. Wanted to see if you agree with me that the truck driver's carelessness put the entire train full of people in danger.
Fernando! Fernando! Meu Deus!
Pau. O cara é doido, é?
Meu Deus do céu! Como é que esse cara faz isso?
É de empresa.
Meu Deus, esse homem não tava vendo esse trem, não.
É de empresa.
Oh.
É só que ele...
Both made the same big mistake. They ignored the safety rules at a railway crossing and didn't pay attention to the active traffic lights. Ever seen a boat like this before? If you have, drop a tuyo in the comments. Flooded tracks aren't a reason to stop the train, since modern trains are built to be waterproof and aren't affected by water. This incident is a reminder of how crucial it is to double-check routes to prevent costly mistakes like this.
These cars.
It seemed like he was about to disappear from the world in an instant, but it was God who saved him. His recklessness sometimes comes at the cost of his own life. Don't act like him. No matter the reason, it's unacceptable for the girl to recklessly cross the train tracks. Your guardian angel isn't always there to protect you. I could only breathe a sigh of relief when I saw the worker get up safely. Please stay away from the tracks. It's really a dangerous place. Hurrying sometimes costs us our lives. Don't trade a moment of speed for a lifetime of regret. When the accident happened, the gates were open, but the bells and flashing lights warning of an approaching train weren't working, so drivers didn't get the warning. Pay attention to the lights and warning bells at train crossings. Being careless risks your life. Heroes are everywhere. Thank you for stepping up and saving those in need. Real-life heroes with hearts of gold. She totally deserves a big round of applause. What do you think about this? Never try to beat or go up against a train. It's a fight you're guaranteed to lose.
Look at the
Don't park here unless you want your car turned into scrap metal. I believe we need training classes to teach people how to handle railroad crossings safely. Safety starts with knowledge. You've caused a mess and slowed everything down, the big manager said, clearly annoyed. So relieved no one got hurt, gear can be fixed, but lives can't. If you ever find yourself in this situation, just break through the gate. It's way cheaper to fix than your car. Unreal. The driver walked away without a scratch. Remember, a train going 80 miles per hour can't stop on a dime like a car. That's nothing short of a miracle. I'm pretty impressed by the guy who jumped from the train onto the wall. Lucky there wasn't a train passing on the next track at that moment. Never cross the tracks when a train is coming or even in sight. What do you think the truck driver's punishment will be? You'll never beat the power of a train, so don't risk your life on a game you can't win.
I gotta get out of here. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Pay extra attention at intersections.
PM.
Never pass on the right. Make sure it's safe first, then go for it when it's clear. Safe drivers always play it smart.
Yep.
This is why you don't run red lights.
with it.
Turning right from the right lane is helpful. And remember, your turn signal is to let others know what you're about to do, not a last-second heads up. Instead of letting anger take over, try staying positive and finding a better way to connect with others. First off, big thanks to the person who filmed this. Most people wouldn't be able to keep the camera that steady. The train triggered a switch split, not exactly uncommon. The cyclist reacted super smart and fast, quickly backing up and getting out of the way.
So this was the first example that you found industry that was working to try to distort the perceptions of reality so that they continue what they're doing.
You know, they did a lot of other things that they've, you know, I mentioned the reference to the so talked about how would you like it?
Bruh, dude.
What's he doing? Ignoring the train horn and risking it across the tracks? One small mistake, and the car owner paid a heavy price. Let this be a reminder. Never park near train tracks. I don't get why they did that, but never do it. It's just plain wrong. A passenger car tried to beat the train and got slammed off the tracks. Let this be a lesson. Never risk your life over impatience. Safety always comes first. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you found the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring more engaging and high-quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.